When did humanity fall? When did we fall in our journey? The fall from consciousness of the higher worlds to the lower worlds took place during involution in the etheric region of the physical world. It took place during the third movement of the spiritual impulse, spanning millions of years ago. The spin of the Earth planet was equally affected. How was it affected? It slowed down. We caused it. Humanity caused it. We became conscious of the chemical region of the physical world and could see dense body of self and others, just as we do now. Was there a salvation plan? Yes. The great being who created our solar system and made us in his image and after his likeness has a plan for humanity, for us to add value to the Godhead and also become creators of living things. When we fell, a salvation plan was put in place to redeem us. No one can save himself or herself, even if such a person denied that we were created by God. No human being can ever save himself or herself directly. No, it's only the salvation plan. The plan is to consciously restore us to the etheric region and for us to function there consciously, no more in a dream state. What are the interventions? One is division of humanity into races, nations, tribes, and families. We are divided. 2, arrival of beings from the planets Venus and Mercury. 3, introduction of the religion of God Jehovah based on law. 4, inauguration of the law of cause and effect. 5, rebirth. 6, the religion of Christ based on love and service. And 7, the law of grace or forgiveness. We made detailed presentation on most of these divine intentions in our previous lectures. We humbly refer you to them, especially lecture number 5, the pilgrimage of spirits through matter. Lecture number 8, the hidden spiritual benefits of love and selfless service. Lecture number 11, the law of cause and effect as a factor in your life. And lecture number 12, foot draggers in the journey back to God. Nonetheless, we will talk about a few of them. Division of humanity. The distribution of humanity on the surface of Earth started first in the spiritual world. That is why we are born in different locations on this globe. We are divided into races, ethnic groups, clans, and families for a reason. Let's talk about the laws of Venus and the laws of Mercury.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, we could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.